Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Humans and Monsters Are Not the Same finally released. Dancehall artist Governor today released his debut anthology dubbed Humans and Monsters Are Not the Same. The 14-track album, which is available on all streaming platforms, features top producers in the industry including Chimney, Quantanium and Immuto Records, and also sees Governor tapping into his cultural side with collaborations from Dre Island, Taurus Riley and Grammy-nominated artist Protege.
Pick on the phone, woman, pick on the phone, pick on the phone.
On some attacks of our streets, now gonna turn come we can't sleep. We can try but we can't do it. Oh, we believe it or me.
At the album launch held on Wednesday at the Marketplace, Governor shared that making the album was a lengthy process.
4 years. I think songs on it recorded from 2016. You know what I mean? So, yeah, 4 years, 4 long years, is it?
The champ DJ also shared what he wants fans to take away from the album.
That my music is more than just girl and girl is, you know what I mean? And it's a lot of message in it, a lot of positivity is with Governor music, but a lot of time it's overshadowed by the banger them and the upfront and the, you know what I mean? So that's how I want them get from this, that there's a different side to Governor than the girl side.
Producer Jordan from Chimney Records is proud of Governor's efforts.
Well, I just want to say I'm proud of you, brother. A whole heap of work I see you put in, from inception to mixing to promotion to planning the whole event. Proud of you, brother. Wonderful album, glad to be a part of it.
The album launch was fully supported by Governor's peers, including Stylo G, Bugle, and Not Nice.
Yeah, but just make him know, say, yo, bro, let's go and burn the fire. I'm a real brother different from music.
I want to say congratulations, are you from the ghetto, like myself, Spanish Town, Homestead, proud. I'm happy they have to represent the city. I wish Governor all his success and the glory for the album as his first album. And check down here, and
Yeah, I like how him got unexpected with it. It's not what everybody is expecting. It have a vibe, man, you know what I mean?
Congratulations. When you say an artist a pre-album, you know say an artist really a pre-career. So we have to support that fully.
Humans and Monsters Are Not the Same features the hit singles Champ, Loyalty, and Cups Up.
But feel like a champ right now. Smiling to the mark right now, yeah. Functioning on the plans right now. We start up the demand, drive out, yeah. So we up against dance. Every time they touch a plane, our first class. The morning, that's how we never reach the world. No one I
just made a promotion for the album right now. Releasing the song strategically, releasing the visuals. You don't know, we can't perform in the CSS, so that's the only place out of it. You know what I mean? You don't know the Caribbean, you don't know, we talk about Europe, we talk about Canada, we talk about England, you know what I mean? So it's all over.
That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.